Pittsburgh, PRWEB September 30, 2017. Pittsburgh, an inventor from Orlando, Florida, who is also an aircraft mechanic, was looking for a less labor-intensive and time-consuming method of handling fasteners in the tight quarters in which he worked. He came up with an idea that will make any mechanics or do-it-yourselfer's job easier in similar work on automobiles, machines, engines and appliances where there is not much room. He developed a prototype for articulated ratchet wrench to ease the installation and removal of fasteners for anyone performing this type of work in tight spaces. As such, it saves time, effort and money. While it improves the efficiency of technicians, it boosts productivity for companies as well. Besides providing added leverage, reach and force, it is safe, durable, and easy to operate. Other appealing features include convenience, effectiveness and an affordable price. The inventor's work experience inspired the idea. "This idea is job-related," he said. "To be more productive as an aircraft mechanic, I needed to simplify the task of installing and removing fasteners when performing aircraft structural repairs. When I shared this concept with my peers, they were very favorably impressed." The original design was submitted to the Orlando office of Inventhelp. It is currently available for licensing or sale to manufacturers or marketers. For more information, write Department 16 ord-2463, Inventhelp, 217 9th Street, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania 15272, or call 412 2,881,300 ext. 1368. Learn more about Inventhelp's invention submission services at http://www.inventhelp.com https://www.youtube.com. Use our Inventhelp share article on social media or email